Hello everyone, my name is Disha Shinde and I study in grade 8 in Educon International School, and the subject on which I am going to talk on is looks aren't everything. Mind programming is the biggest reason we judge others based on their outer appearance. Most people judge the people just by looking at their appearances because that's the first thing visible to us. We make assumptions about them and about their lives based on what the media has planted into our minds. For instance, being thin and beautiful is equal to success. Is it? No, right? Let me tell you an example. I, along with my parents, had paid a visit to a school in Rajasthan, and I was only 5 to 6 years old, and there was this girl named Sakshi. She was a very bright student. But the only reason why she could not study in that school was that her mother was a vegetable seller and her father was a truck driver. The principal and the trustees refused to accept her just because they were looking very poor. What is considered attractive literally changes with the season. What is attractive in the fall will not be the same as in the winter, the spring, or the summer. Looks are superficial. What you can post on Instagram or Facebook does not show what is going on inside you. No matter how much brightness you add to the photo, it will never amount to the amount of light you shine to the world. Some people are luckier than others. Genetically, some people are taller, shorter, healthier, lighter, darker, or have bigger ears. It happens. It is out of our control. The genetics you have are the ones that are best for you. There is nothing better than being yourself. Your wrinkles, your crooked smile, and your uneven ears are your most beautiful features. You are the most than the standards that society may place on you. You are yourself, and that is the most beautiful you could be. You surely felt insecure about something or another in your life. We discuss people to feel better about ourselves. This is highly noticeable among the middle and high school kids. Sadly, some continue this habit into adulthood. When you talk about someone else, most people will willingly join in the conversation to add their 2 cents. This is where a sense of bonding comes in with judgment. There are also some consequences of judging others. Like when you judge others, it makes you feel worse about yourself. You hurt other people. You increase negativity in your heart and in what you put onto into the world. So don't judge choices without understanding the reasons. Thank you.